Hi friend, this is Amit and you are at my channel Information and Educational Video. As the BITSAT 2023 application has been started from 30th of January itself and up to 9th of April you will able to do this. And already I have updated about the schedule, everything in detail. You can check that video also. So here I am going to provide you the complete step-by-step process to register yourself in the BITSAT 2023 exam. That is how to apply for BITSAT 2023. So please try to listen my words and watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete information. So here you just need to write in the search box BITSAT 2023, then you will have this page, and here you will able to check BITSAT online test. Once you click there, you will be on the official website of BITSAT. Before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you this channel will be providing you all the important update and information regarding BITSAT and other examination also, including JEE Mains Advanced. So please try to be with this channel, and I hope I will able to help you until you get into the college. You can check my previous year video as well for the same. So here you need to just click on, please click here to apply for BITSAT, and here already they mentioned all type of rule and regulation. Maximum 2 times you can appear in BITSAT 2023, that is 2 session is there, so you can apply for both session or you can appear in any one session also. All the dates and fee rule, everything has been mentioned here. You can check, and the date is completely available here. So now let's click here to fill the form. Here you will able to get the complete information, that is here instruction is available. If you want, you can download the browser also. And here the fee is mentioned, that is for only session 1 male 3400, female 2900, that is for Indian Nepal Center. And for both the first and second session, male candidate 5400 and female 4400. So you need to click here, that is allow me to apply online. Once you click here, thereafter you will have this option, that is there will be 3 steps to follow for the application process. It is first is obviously application form you need to fill, then upload the image, then pay the fee, that is whatever fee I already informed you. So here the instruction for the image upload is 50 KB to 100 KB it should be, that is your photo and signature should be 10 to 50 KB, and both should be in JPEG format or JPG format. So this is the instruction regarding the document upload. Now you need to click new registration. If you have already registered, then you can click already registered content. And once you click here, that is new registration. So here you need to fill the detail, that is name and gender, thereafter date of birth, and everything should be matching with your class 10 certificate, because during the admission time they will be checking your class 10. Because if you will fill according to Aadhaar now, and later that time Aadhaar and class 10 document data will be different, then you will face the problem, because Aadhaar card detail can be changed easily, but class 10th certificate data will be very difficult to change. So here what you need to do is email you need to provide, confirm the email, mobile number, confirm the mobile number, and password. That's it. Is very simple, you can do it very easily. So let me do it, thereafter I will show you the further process. After filling everything, you need to click here, that is confirm and submit detail. If you have done any mistake, you can click on edit detail as well. So now the original window has been opened, that is father's name, mother's name, father's mobile number, nationality, address for correspondence, and city, pin code, state, landline number if possible. Wherever the star marks is there, that you need to fill, that is mandatory, otherwise it's optional. And thereafter select the name of the board examination, that is CBSE or a state board, year of passing, and mathematics or biology, whatever you want to choose you can do that. And only for first session or both session, here also they mentioned the fee again. And test center you need to provide, there is 3 centers, test center 1, 2 and 3. Most probably you will be getting the first center. Now if you want to choose both the session of examination, and if you will choose 3 centers, then those 3 centers will be applicable for second session also, but later if you want to change that, you can change during the second session correction window. That's what they have mentioned here. And after filling everything, just click on submit. And after filling this, you need to just upload the document and then pay the fee. This is how you need to fill the BITSAT 2023 application form. So hope you get my point very clearly, whatever I provided you here. So please try to fill correctly, and all the name, address should be matching with your class 10th certificate, that is name and date of birth, and obviously address you will provide according to your Aadhaar card. And pin code also, because that will be verified later. So please try to put everything correctly so that you will not face any type of problem later. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will be getting all the updated information regarding BITSAT as well as other entrance exams in the same channel. Thank you.